Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell to get notified every time I post new video. I post new video every Monday and Friday. If you have anything that really interesting, you can always check back on those days to find new content. Okay. So our main part of the video, let me turn the video today so you can see what I'm doing, guys. Here for the neckline that we are doing, so I'll go in by 3.5 inches. I'll go in by 3.5 inches. So I'll go down by 8 inch. So guys, I measured 3.5 inches here, 3.5 inches here. So now my neck width is 3.5 and then my neck depth is 8 inches, guys. I use 8 inches, guys. I use 8 inches. Then I'll go in here at this 8 inches. Yeah, at this 8 inches, I'll go in by 0.5 inches. I'll go in by 0.5 inches. Then I'll connect the dot. So I'll connect my 3.5 inches here. I'll connect it to the where the 0.5 inches stop. Can you see, guys? So now let me get my fabric scissors. The strip that will be attached to the neck, I'll measure 11 inches. I'll measure 11 inches. Measure out 11 inches. Even though if there is excess, you can cut it off. So 11 inches. So draw a straight line connecting the dots together. So trying to measure 3.5 inches for the wideness. Measure 3.5 inches. So we connect it. So welcome back. So I this is the strip that we'll be using. I measured earlier. I explained that I measured 11 inches, 11 inches. So by 1.5 inches. So I high on it and I use interface. Can you see, guys? Interface. Then I fold it into two. Then I fold it into two. Iron it out. So this is the strip we'll be using for our neckline. So at this point you have to measure 0.5 inches, guys. 0.5 inches at this point. 0.5 inches. So you rule that out. 0.5 inches. You rule that out. This is where it will stop. So turn it to the right side. And then that's 0.5 inches, so that I will be able to identify where it stops. So the next thing I will be doing now will be attaching it, the strip. So I'll be joining these, then I'll stop at this point, then attach the other sleeve also. So let's start, guys. Then I'll also attach the other sleeve. I'll also attach the other strips to the other side also. So I will start from where this 0.5 inch. Then cut out all threads. So can you see, guys? So the next thing that we are going to do, you flip it, then you notch at this point, then you notch at this point also. Remember, guys, I'm not notching it together with this I'm not notching it together with the strip. I just have to notch this part. Can you see? Just this part. No cuts, just notch. You see? So I ironed it out. So the next thing that I have to do is I have to flip this side inside, then flip the other. And it will be like this. So the next thing that I have to do is to secure this side. Can you see, guys? I have to secure this side to give it a. Remember, at the back of it, it will be cross. So I have to stitch all this together, then cut out the excess. Then cut out all the thread so that your work will happen neat. So can you see how neat it is? So you cut out the excess so that it will not be bulky when you want. So now you cut out all the excess. So can you see? At the top also you cut out the excess at the top.